Woke Wednesday, the night before. The name of this poem is Yesterday's Tomorrow. Just a reflection on how they perceived the future to be in the past and what we actually realize today. So, yesterday's tomorrow. Yesterday's tomorrow. Still riddled by leisurely strolls to back seats of empty buses. Opportune advances to rise lack effort while project surveys display the results of poverty's proposed potential for genocide. Inner city buildings remain free from the burden of inhabitants with wooden windows and shackled entrances as the destitute freeze from beneath cardboard spreads and abandoned governmental cash crops. Sleepover stereotypes produce hate-based profiling from the very ones left to protect and serve. Mothers grieve and file civil suits. Race relations settles for further assimilation of a curse-created culture, still considered foreigners. Past heckles once sent to degrade, now passed between brothers. Mass distribution of sack lunches traded for mass distribution of sack substances. Preludes, no resolution for civilian mass destruction. A sovereign nation abducted by governmental corruption. Bushes burn firm foundations and bus rides are much the same. Except now everyone sits in the back, with backpacks filled with half-witted analysis, fallacies violently ripping from the casualties that we've become accustomed to, as race relation spaces ever so effortlessly since the civil rights movement died in the 60s, and yesterday's foresight has been blinded by today's uncensored stones thrown without guidance. And the truth is bound to the past, so we'll leave that behind us, bound blind by branded brains and standard stains forever to remain the dung-stained backdrops of our society. When will sobriety set in? A destitute people who await the repentance of a discriminate system meant to dismiss them? Relent then. Redirect yesterday's intention for tomorrow's rendition of independence, transcendent above the belligerent hindrance of our brilliance, disguised through the ingrained concealment of our true worth to give girth to ideologies of yesterday's interpretation for today. Yesterday's tomorrow.